Hi everyone, now we are going to see about doubly linked list. Doubly linked list means it can go previously unto the next. Both ways it can go. That is mean by doubly linked list. Coming to the program, we have to declare the structure variable node, structure node, and int data node. Next node previous, then it will go to the previous and the next. We have to declare the node previous, node next, and the head should be null as we didn't enter the any one of the variables. For insert from the front, see void insert front int x, that means insert the variable x to the doubly linked list. Struct node star t equal to node, as we didn't have any node. See t data equal to x, that means temp data will be the value. The temp data will be the value. T previous should be null, that means there is no element. For the first element we are entering, that should be the null, and t next we should be the head. If head not equal to null means head previous equal to t, head equal to t. Then for the insert, for inserting at the, for inserting from the end, void insert end, as it is inserting into x. If head equal to null means insert front, as there will be no elements, we should insert element from the first. Otherwise, if there is an element present in the linked list, node start temp should be the new node which we are inserting. We are inserting temp data equal to x, temp next equal to null, node star temp equal to head, while temp 1 next not equal to null means temp 1 equal to temp 1 next. This condition takes the linked list's last value. That means the last value it will go by in the way, and it should stop at the last. And then temp previous equal to temp 1, the we are inserting temp, and the previous is temp 1, as this condition takes the temp 1 to the last. This temp 1 next equal to temp, and then void insert node, that means we are inserting at the middle. Inserting at the nth position, node start temp equal to new node, temp data equal to x, node start temp 1 equal to head, as we have to take the temp 1 as head. For int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n minus 1, I plus plus. If temp 1 equal to null, then there are no elements in the linked list. That means the linked list is empty, it will print the link empty. Then otherwise it will take to the temp 1 equal to temp 1 next, it will take to the certain position as we have given there. Next temp next equal to temp 1 next, temp previous equal to temp 1, temp 1 next equal to previous temp, temp 1 next previous equal to temp, then it will become temp 1 next equal to temp, and it will be inserted. Then void delete from the front, node start temp equal to head. If temp equal to null means then the list is empty, then it will print the empty list and it will return. Otherwise head equal to head next, the head will becomes the head is at the top, and the head will become the next, and it will become the head. Then head previous equal to null, as the head is then previous will be null, and we have to delete the temp. My void delete end, node start temp equal to head. From delete from the front, temp equal to null means then there are no elements in the list, and it will print the empty list return. While temp next not equal to null, temp equal to temp next, and temp previous next equal to null, and it will delete the last of the linked list, and then it will delete. Then delete node, and deleting, that means delete node means deleting from the middle. temp equal to head. If temp equal to null, see out empty list and it will return. For int I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. If temp equal to null, then it will show that the list is empty. Otherwise temp equal to temp next, temp previous next equal to temp next, temp next previous equal to temp previous, and it will delete the. For displaying node star temp equal to head. While temp not equal to null, see out temp data. Then it will print the data of the linked list here. Temp equal to temp next. In test main, using the main function, we have to for displaying all these insert at the front, insert at the end, insert at the nth position, delete from the front, delete in the end, delete from the end for printing. Switch cases: case 1 for inserting at the front, case 2 for inserting at the end, case 3 for inserting at the middle position. Here we have to give the position in which we are going to enter the number, and then delete from the end and delete at the end position. By giving nth position, it will delete the node, then display. Otherwise it will print a invalid choice. Then it will ask, do you want to continue? Yes, return. Why do you if it is not empty, no, it is empty position, empty position. You will display. So, see, insert at the front, insert at the. Now I am giving one. Insert at the element entering is 10. Yes, y. For next, insert at the back. Insert at 20. Right. I will display this. 10 or 20. Do you want to continue? Yes. For 3, I will enter the element 30. Position 2. Okay, thank you.